We programmers know that it is useful to use IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. There are some IDEs in this world. Eclipse software is one of the IDEs. I'm going to explain Eclipse installation for Java beginners. IDEs such as Eclipse software is just a tool that will write code and debug easier. We often utilize Eclipse to write Java programming. Eclipse has many functions, so some might feel complicated to use. It is better to get used to using Eclipse. I will give you examples of Eclipse. If you use Eclipse software, it is easy for us to know the compiler error. If we write any Java programs on the text editor, we have to find any syntax error by ourselves. It may be difficult for us to find any syntax error from a lot of lines. Using Eclipse, it can find any syntax error automatically. When you compile the Hello World Java program, you type these commands on the prompt. However, if we use the Eclipse software, it is easier to compile the Java program file. Eclipse is a useful software, so I will explain how to install Eclipse. Search Eclipse and download it. We can get Eclipse at no cost. Eclipse also has a 32-bit version and a 64-bit version. If you use the 64-bit Windows OS, download the 64-bit version Eclipse. Don't get the version wrong. Install Eclipse after the download. Run installer. You can see the Eclipse installer dialog. There are some choices in the dialog. Here, we choose the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. You can see the installation folder and create a shortcut and menu. Change them if you want. After that, click the install button. In short, Eclipse is one of the IDE for programmers. It is easy to install. Search Eclipse on the web. Download Eclipse installer on the official website. Run the installer and install Eclipse for Java developers. We can get Eclipse for free. I recommend using it to write Java. I'm afraid I don't know your language. There are some language Eclipse plugins on the official website. Search your language converter plugin and install it if you want. Okay, I will describe how to use Eclipse next time. I will be happy if you watch the next video. Bye for now.